Let's be brutally honest for a second. Every single person on this planet, rich or poor, famous or unknown, wildly successful or totally stuck, has the exact same 24 hours. No more, no less. So how is it that some people seem to bend time, achieve insane results, live full, meaningful lives, while others barely make it through the day without burning out, zoning out, or checking out? It's not luck. It's not genius. It's not caffeine. It's awareness. The harsh truth, most people don't waste their potential. They waste their time, and they don't even realize it. The problem isn't that you don't have enough time, it's that your time is leaking, slowly, quietly, into things that don't actually matter. And when your minutes don't have direction, neither does your life. Here's something no one told us in school. Time is not just hours on a clock. It's energy, attention, and decisions. And the way you spend one day is the way you live your life. If you waste today, you've wasted life in miniature. Let that sink in. Now, think about this. When you wake up, you are gifted 86,400 seconds. That's it. Every day, the clock resets. And unlike money, you can't save time. You either spend it wisely or you lose it forever. And the worst part, most of us are spending our days reacting instead of choosing. The day starts and we're already on defense, checking notifications, replying to random messages, doing things that feel urgent but are rarely important. And then we wonder why we feel drained by noon, why we feel like we're working all the time but going nowhere. The answer is simple. We're spending our 24 hours by accident. Let me tell you something that changed my life. Your phone is not the problem. Your job isn't the problem. Even your schedule isn't the problem. The problem is lack of clarity. Most people wake up with no clear intention, no direction, just vibes, and that's exactly why their time gets hijacked by distractions, other people's priorities, and meaningless noise. If you don't choose how to use your time, the world will choose for you, and the world doesn't care if you live your purpose or not. Have you ever felt this cycle? You start the day with big plans. I'm gonna work out, finish that project, call my mom, maybe even read a little. Then by the time evening hits, you're exhausted, scrolling Instagram in bed, wondering how it all slipped away. That's not a motivation problem. That's a structure problem. Your time needs to be protected like your life depends on it, because it does. Every goal, every dream, every change you want in life starts with how you use the next hour, and the next, and the one after that. Now, let's flip the script. Imagine this. What if you woke up tomorrow and treated your time like it was $1 million investment? What if you looked at your calendar like it was your blueprint for success, not just a bunch of empty boxes? Using your 24 hours wisely doesn't mean packing every minute. It means becoming intentional. It means asking, what actually matters today? What will move the needle? What will drain me? And what will fill me up? Let me give you a simple strategy. Break your day into 4 zones: focus time, flex time, recharge time, and garbage time. Focus time is when your mind is sharp. Use that for your biggest priorities. No multitasking, no distractions. If you give just 2 distraction-free hours a day to your core mission, you will be miles ahead in 6 months. Flex time is the space for meetings, errands, admin stuff. Things you can't ignore but shouldn't dominate your schedule. Recharge time is non-negotiable. Walks, music, conversations, laughter, stillness. This isn't laziness, it's what keeps your energy sustainable. And then there's garbage time. We all have it. Mindless scrolling, binge watching, arguing in comment sections. Be honest about how much of your day falls here. No shame, just awareness. The goal isn't to eliminate it completely, it's to shrink it little by little until your time is a reflection of your values, not your urges. You don't need a 5 a.m. routine or 100 productivity hacks. You just need to win your next hour. That's it. Make one better choice. Delay one distraction. Prioritize one meaningful task. And do it again tomorrow. Because the truth is, success doesn't come from massive one-time actions. It comes from small, consistent decisions made every single day. That book you want to write, it starts with 20 minutes today. That business you want to launch, it starts with 1 email today. That better body, better relationship, better mindset. It all starts with how you choose to spend this hour, not someday, today. Let's take a real example. A guy I worked with, let's call him Nate, used to feel like life was just happening to him. He was always behind, always tired, always reacting. He started blocking just 2 hours a day for focus time. That's it. No major life overhaul, just 2 sacred, protected hours. Within 4 months, he launched his freelance business, lost 15 pounds, and felt mentally clearer than he had in years. He didn't change his life in a day. He changed his days, and that changed his life. If you're watching this and thinking, man, I've wasted so much time, listen to me closely. You still have time. It's not too late. You're not too old. You're not too far gone. But you do have to decide. Decide that your time is sacred. Decide that your goals matter enough to protect space for them. Decide that busy is not a badge of honor anymore. Effective is. Because one day, you're going to look back on this life and realize it was all made up of how you used your Mondays, your afternoons, your weekends. No one gets handed a better future. We build it in the hours no one sees. So here's your challenge. Don't just watch this video and move on. Make a shift today. Block 90 minutes for something that actually matters to you. Protect it like your future depends on it, because it does. If this message hit you where it needed to, drop a comment below. What's one way you're going to use your 24 hours differently starting now? And if you're ready to go deeper, check out our next video, Why You're One Habit Away from a Better Life. It'll help you lock in the kind of rhythm that makes your goals inevitable. Your time is your life. Don't spend it by accident, spend it on purpose.